Hey everyone, let's start our journey by understanding the UI of the GitLab. So understanding the UI is very important. So in order to see what are different options being available into the UI, so let's jump directly into the GitLab site and see how it is going to be utilized for. So in the GitLab, this is the first screen that you see when you created the account. You see your projects being available. If you have started any project, you can see from the start. So right now we have just created only one project and this is the only thing we can see in the project side. In the groups there is a several projects that is centralized into a particular group. Let's say when we are working into a dev team is having n number of projects. So if you want to group them by the teams, so you can even do so. Let's say if you are creating new group, you are enroll several new projects, create new group projects and provide them into the utilization. Issues, very it's similar to the Jira side. So if you have any Jira issues or anything, you can import it or directly you can utilize issues into the use case. Pull request or the merge request are the same thing that is being available out here. To-do list is a kind of giving you notification or remembrance of what all tasks you need to achieve for the utilization. Milestones are kind of Kanban board or the agile boards that you create. So in this, you can create the milestones or epics accordingly. And based on that, you can create your sprints for the utilization. Snippets are the something that you have the reusable code that you can put. So as you can see, store, share, and embedded small pieces of code. So if some code is that are continuously utilizing again and again, which is reused, so that can be put down into the snippets. So all the activity is going to have the history. Let's say we have created the account, we have created the project. So all those things are available out here. Then workspaces are helping you to differentiate it between the different environments. So you can create the workspaces accordingly. And similarly, the environments are the section in which the different environments can be utilized. So let's say if your project has several environments, UI, dev, and then you have QA system and the prod. So accordingly, you can create the environments for your working and add a project to the environment dashboard for the utilization. It is going to provide you the status and everything related to it. Operations are the all the operation activities. As you know, GitLab is a complete CI/CD tool. It has all the information related to the development to the build stage till the end of the operations. So all those operations can be seen out here, including the alerts of the pipeline that can you are utilizing. In the security side, you have the dashboard and the vulnerability reports that you create when the things are working fine. So after moving to the project, the major working will be inside your project. So we are going to start our project and see what all options are available out here. So as I told you, it is a complete CI/CD tool from end to end where you get every section available for the use case. So I told you the issues are something that is related to the Jira side. If you want to enroll or integrate with the Jira, it's provide the functionality of the Jira also. Otherwise, you can directly utilize GitLab for the same thing. Manage are the different users and the activities that you want to utilize, and you can add on the members from right here. Plan is the something that you are going to utilize to plan your entire system, how you are going to plan it, what all milestones you want to utilize. So click on the plan and you are going to see the issues board and the milestones, and even the for the documentation they provide you the wiki. So if you have been utilizing the Atlassian product, which is your Confluence, you can enable the Confluence with it. So you can know that all the features that you have been utilizing with the third-party tools that are available inside the GitLab. Even for the coding, you have the GitHub, all the features, merge requests, repository, branches, commits, all the functionality can be seen out here. For the build, as you can see, pipeline jobs, pipeline editor, which is going to be inside IDE available into the GitLab for the use case. So if you want to edit the pipelines directly, you can use the pipeline editor. And moreover, the artifacts are stored into the build side. In order to secure the things, as I told, the security capabilities, configuration, and audits are available out here. Deployments is used to deploy the things outside, like when you want to create the package, container repository, all the things are available into the deploy side. And the operate is going to help you to find the Kubernetes cluster, Terraform, and even integration with the different cloud platforms. Monitor is going to see you the error tracking that is going to help you with the alerts and incidents. It's like a common place where all the things related to the monitoring is available. And the analyze is going to give you the functionality of how the things are working, what's the efficiency, productivity of the things. So it's kind of analytics that is provided inbuilt for the utilization. In the settings, if you want to make any configuration related to the variable side, that can be done into the CI/CD, and all the things like webhooks and journal can be seen out here. Like even if you want to use your personal system host for the utilization rather than the shared host, that can be utilized out here. So that's the working that you have been seeing into the GitLab side. So GitLab is a complete CI/CD tool. You don't require any third-party tool for the utilization, but it offers the functionality if you want to integrate different options like Jira, Confluence, and even Jenkins, Kubernetes. Everything is available out here in the single place. So that's the most benefit of the utilizing GitLab from end to end. So you have a complete picture at a centralized location. So that's why GitLab is one of the most widely used tool right now into the market. So that's all from this video. Thanks a lot.